हिंदवी स्वराज्याचे सरसंस्थापक छत्रपती शिवरायांना मानाचा मुजरा करतो। भारतीय राज्यघटनेचे शिल्पकार भारतरत्न डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांना मानवंदना अर्पित करतो। आज महाराष्ट्र नॅशनल लॉ युनिव्हर्सिटी मुंबई च्या या विशेष भूमिपूजन समारोहामध्ये मंचावर उपस्थित the Honorable Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, Shri Bhushan Gavai ji, Honorable the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Shri Chandrasekhar ji, Honorable Judge Srimati Bharti Dangre, Honorable Judge Shri Sandeep Marne, PWD Minister Shri Shivendra Raje Bhosle, Honorable Advocate General Shri Birendra Saraf, Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Dilip Uke, Registrar Shri Prakash Chaudhary, Secretary Government of Maharashtra Law and Judiciary Department Srimati Suvarna Kevle, all the dignitaries present here, dear students, friends, it's indeed a great occasion that today, at the hands of the Honorable Chief Justice of Supreme Court, we have unveiled this model of the new building of MNLU, and by that, we have already symbolically done the stone laying ceremony of this new building. I'm very happy that the MNLU Mumbai is getting a new state-of-art building. In fact, in 2014, when we decided that we will start 3 national law universities in Maharashtra, it was a very bold decision. Perhaps Maharashtra is the only state which has 3 national universities. And I must thank the Supreme Court and the High Court, and especially Chief Justice Shri Bhushan Gavai, who has always been very supportive in the creation of these 3 national universities. In fact, Mumbai was the first national university which we started, but of course Mumbai did not have its own campus, so it was shifting from one campus to another. And in fact, after Mumbai, we started MNLU Nagpur and MNLU Sambhajinagar. But I am very happy that both the national law universities, Nagpur and Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, they got their own state-of-art campus. And I must tell you that all the initiative which was taken up by Honorable Chief Justice Shri Gavai ji, that we have best of the campuses at Nagpur and also at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. However, it was very difficult to find appropriate place for a campus at Mumbai. And we were offering many lands to the High Court Committee. And finally, I am very happy that this land was approved by the committee. The landowners, Mr. Vakharia, they are also present here. It was a very long journey because the development plan of Mumbai was to be sanctioned, and then there were a lot of policy issues, conversions, and Honorable Chief Justice was asking me whether there is any wetland issue here, because he has got some complaint about that. So I've assured him that we have taken every single permission on this land and no issue is there, absolutely no issue. In fact, all the competent authorities have given all the clearances, and we are aware that when, and especially I'm talking on the behalf of the Vice Chancellor, that when we are inviting the Honorable Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court, we must have all the permissions. And I assure you that all the permissions are here, and sometimes it is better to be late, because we know that, after the mobile phone came, there are many countries who have not seen landline. They directly saw the mobile phone. So technology is like that. It is very disruptive. And although the Maharashtra National Law University, Mumbai, got its own campus a little late, but I would like to assure that amongst the three, this is the best campus. Being the latest, it has an advantage of being the best. Mr. Hiten Sethi and Janvi Joglekar, they have designed it very well. I've gone through every single part of design, and I must congratulate them for designing such a great campus. And I think it will be, although we call it Maharashtra National Law University, but I'm sure that very soon it will be recognized as an international university, and will achieve that standard very soon. In fact, all of us know that today it's an era where industry, business, social life, politics, everything is aligned with academia. Anything you do has to be aligned with academia, because in today's world, human resource is something which is most precious. And today, capital flows towards human resource. There was a time when human resource used to flow towards capital, but we are in an era where the capital flows towards human resource. And that is why it is our endeavor to create best of the human resource in the state of Maharashtra. I must also tell you that after our new education policy by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Maharashtra is also creating a new EduCity in New Mumbai, near the New Mumbai airport. And this EduCity will host 12 world's best ranking universities, and out of them, 7 have already started working. They have actually got the LOI from the central government, and they will be moving in their campuses in next 2 to 3 years. So in Mumbai and New Mumbai, we are creating a hub of world-class universities, and we are also creating an innovation city around this cluster of universities, which is EduCity. And all of us know that with every progress, you require the best legal order. You require the best legal system. And I think since our Supreme Court, our High Courts have stood up to the situation, now is a time that we create the best human resource in the legal fraternity, because now we are not just local, but India has gone global. And with the entrance of the global community in India and India becoming a part of the global manufacturing scheme and the global supply scheme, we require a legal system which is comparable with any world-class international legal system. And for that, we require best of the human resource. And I think our law universities are meant to create world-class human resource in the legal fraternity. And that is why this Mumbai Law University, which we are creating with such a beautiful campus, I'm sure it will play one of the most important role in this entire journey. Today, I'm told that it is also birthday of Vice Chancellor. So I must also give all my greetings to the Vice Chancellor. Wish you a very happy birthday. And it's a great occasion that on your birthday, this university is shaping up. And I'm very happy that the son of the soil, the Honorable Chief Justice of India, who is son of the soil, he is present here on this momentous occasion of stone laying ceremony of this National Law University. And we have also felicitated him. In fact, all of us know that he has made us proud, and we are very happy that he is actually present here today. And hopefully, I would like to assure him on behalf of my colleague and the PWD Minister, Shivendra Rajeji, that we'll try to finish this building as soon as possible with the highest quality so that it really looks world class. मी पुन्हा एकदा माननीय वाईस चान्सलर साहेबांचं मनापासनं अभिनंदन करतो, त्यांचे आभार मानतो. महाराष्ट्र नॅशनल लॉ युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या सगळ्या फॅकल्टीजचे, सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांचे मी आभार मानतो, त्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो. आणि आज या चांगल्या दिवशी या ठिकाणी आपण मला देखील निमंत्रित केलं, त्याबद्दल आपले आभार मानून माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.